Welcome to the Energy Planner Thermostat tutorial. The purpose of this video is to help you become familiar with information that appears on your Energy Planner thermostat display. In addition, we'll demonstrate how easy it is to adjust settings and how you can place a temporary or permanent hold from your thermostat without logging into your Energy Planner portal. Let's start out by identifying important information that appears on the display. Pressing the button on top of the thermostat will activate the backlight. As you can see, the current month, date, and year appear at the top. And down here is the current time and day of the week. This large number in the center indicates your current indoor temperature. This number on the right is your current indoor temperature setting. Let's point out a few other items. Your current system heating or cooling mode appears at the bottom right. To change, simply press the system button to cycle through the modes, including cool, off, heat, and auxiliary heat. Auxiliary heat is only available for heat pumps. If you have a multi-stage heating and cooling system, it will be operating in either Stage 1 or Stage 2. You can find that here. This fan icon appears when the fan is running. Here at the bottom right is the fan control. We recommend leaving the fan control in auto. If you prefer to run the fan at all times, press the fan button until on is displayed. You will find your current Energy Planner pricing tier, low, medium, or high, on the upper left. Depending on the time of day, the programmable time periods corresponding to your schedule, morning, day, evening, and night, appear here. These signal bars indicate that your device is connected to Wi-Fi. This menu button on the bottom left is used when setting up the thermostat Wi-Fi. There's no need to use this button for anything else, unless directed by a Tampa Electric representative over the phone. If a critical pricing event occurs, a red light above the display will illuminate. A critical pricing event occurs during times of extremely high demand for electricity, such as a very hot summer day, a cold winter morning, or when the power grid is under high demand. To maximize your savings, we recommend turning off high-usage appliances, like an electric clothes dryer, to reduce electricity usage as much as possible while the critical pricing is active. Now let's learn how to place a temporary or permanent hold from your thermostat. Before we begin, let's talk about why you might want to place a temporary or permanent hold. Have you ever felt unusually warm inside your home and just want to make it a little cooler? Or maybe you're going away for the weekend and want to save a little money by turning up the AC while you're gone. These are two scenarios where you might want to deviate from your pre-programmed schedule and place a temporary or permanent hold directly from your thermostat. Here's how to place a temporary hold. A temporary hold will change your indoor temperature setting until your next scheduled change, or until the next pricing tier change. To place a temporary hold, press either the red plus button to raise or the blue minus button to lower the temperature until desired setting appears in the upper right corner. Once the temporary hold is active, the words "temporary hold" will flash on the screen where the date is located. If you want to release the hold, simply press the Run button on the upper left side of the thermostat, or wait until the next schedule or price tier change. Now, let's place a permanent hold. A permanent hold will keep your new temperature setting constant until you decide to release it. Only after you release it will it return to your pre-programmed schedule. It's important to know that once you place a permanent hold, it will not change, even if a critical pricing event occurs. To place a permanent hold, press either the red plus button to raise or the blue minus button to lower the temperature until the desired setting shows in the upper right corner. Once your desired temperature is selected, quickly press the Perm button on the lower left. Once the permanent hold is active, the words "Permanent Hold" will flash on the screen where the date is located. This hold will remain indefinitely until it is released by pressing the Run button on the upper left side of your thermostat. We hope you found this video to be helpful. If you need technical assistance, check out our Energy Planner customer guide at tampaelectric.com/EP or call our technical team at 813-2 275-3050. Thank you for providing us the opportunity to serve your energy needs.